morning! Welcome to 99 Lifestyle! And today I'll be showing you how to make French toast. Now, as you can see, I don't have makeup on because it's just the morning. And I'll be making French toast with the everyday things that you have in your house. So, we have first the bread, this is our favorite. This is not sponsored, but this is our favorite bread that we like to eat, and it's affordable as well. So here is Pinoy Tasty, and the sugar that I use, you can use regular sugar, but I am going to use the honey just for it to be a bit more healthier than a healthier option rather than the typical sugar, because like I said, in the healthy lifestyle that I chose, I prefer not to put sugar on a lot of my food. So after that is we can have milk. But the milk that you can use, it depends on you, on your preference. I use powdered milk right now. You can use liquid milk. Before I tried using liquid milk, it's all the same. It came out the same. As long as the powdered milk is supposed to be melted all properly. So I melted it here. I put it in the microwave just to make sure that it's hot enough to melt all the milk. And then after that, you need 2 eggs. So it depends on you of how many eggs you want, because that's going to be the base. That's how much you're going to use with your bread, and that's how much this one will be. So I think with 2 eggs you can actually finish the whole set of this, but I won't finish all of this. Sometimes I put 3 depending on the heavy amount of protein that you need for your breakfast. So this is going to be a breakfast meal, okay? But you can do this for a snack as well. So let's start. So we did put the egg already in the bowl, and then we're gonna put the milk as well. Here. Alright, I did one mistake. I forgot to whisk those eggs. So you have to whisk the egg first before putting the milk, or else you have a difficulty mixing the egg. But that's okay, because you are going to cook this all in the pan after you dip the bread. So now I mixed it up, and so far it is looking good, and I think I put a lot. But that's okay, because if you have extra, then you can actually think of cooking it. Because there's still egg inside. I might just add some more egg, but it depends, so let's check. So we will dip it, and then we will fry it. So that's mainly it, okay? And I'll show you a quick sample of how I'm going to fry it. So this is really a heavy breakfast, and it's really good, but when you taste it, it's super yummy, and you'll want to eat more and more. There, let's go to frying. Now here it is, and I'll be sampling to you how I'm going to cook it here. So you need a non-stick pan, and then you're going to turn on. There. So as much as possible, try it on low heat only, and then you're going to put the butter. Now it's nice to heat up the pan a bit. So it is heating up a bit, and then we'll just lower it down. And here's the butter. We'll put a butter base. So the butter I'm using is this one, which is, yeah, cholesterol-free food. Hopefully it does. And then just mix it there. Spread it on the pan. There. We'll be using a bit more butter later, but you have to make sure you spread it because you don't want to burn the butter. You could use oil for this, but I prefer the butter so it will have that kind of yellow tone color shade. And then you're going to dip the bread here at your mixture. Make sure your hands are nice and clean. And then put this a bit on high heat. And let it. So as you can see, so this usually is like 30 seconds, and then flip it again, then 30 seconds again. And then I'll be showing you the final result. So here's what it looks like. It's like a nice brown golden color. And then flip it again and see it being cooked. So it depends on you if you want it very soft or hard, like toasty. I prefer it a bit soft because it's more delicious for me. I guess it depends on your preferences. Okay, and then we'll be doing this again and again for all of it. As you can see, it's turning fluffy already. So whenever cooking scrambled eggs like this, you have to make sure to move it on high heat because that's when it helps fluff up their eggs. Make sure when moving it like this, it's on high heat, so you will know that everything is being cooked evenly. So here it is, and then I'll be showing you the final reveal. And here is the final product of all of the food that I had. There was no wastage in this because the leftover of the mixture, I add some more eggs and then I cook with this. But here is the French toast. See? And I hope you like this video and hopefully this is helpful. I mean, these are just basic products you can get. Like I said, you don't need to have honey. I just prefer to try on honey because it's a lot healthier for you as sugar. You could use still sugar itself and some milk and this. So again, this is not sponsored, but hopefully this is helpful to you and hopefully you like the video. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Don't forget that. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye! This is not mukbang.